southeastern San Juan County in northwestern New Mexico until 10:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:11 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pueblo Plantado, or 35 miles northeast of Crown Point, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pueblo Plantado. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lighting is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Rio Arriba, San Juan, and Sandoval.